So how is the Saudi market in terms of demand?
The Saudi market definitely is a big market compared to all other GCC countries.
Okay, and the Indian products are also in demand.
Yeah, because a lot of Indians are in Saudi Arabia, so they definitely like their spices, their rice.
So if anyone wants to enter in the Saudi market, especially,
Yes,
what you can suggest to them?
the market is very.
There are multiple scopes actually in the market for multiple kind of products, but do you think like what can be exported to the Gulf kind of countries and what can be exported to Saudi Arabia? So right now we are at the Grand Hypermarket, which is the biggest supply chain of the hypermarket in the whole GCC. So we are here at the Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and yes sir, he's from the Grand Supermarket. He's handling all the things and operations.
Yes.
So can you please tell us like what are the products demanded in Saudi market, especially in the category of the like all the things?
Yes, normally we are mostly concentrated to expat business.
Okay.
So there are rice, spices, oil, all commodities we have requirement.
Okay.
So we are selling with very reasonable price in this market,
Okay.
better than any other competition. So we
Great.
have a good customer base on that. So we select the products based on our customer demands.
Mhm.
So we check the customer feedbacks. We
Mhm.
take the customer feedback and we test the product.
Okay.
And
And then you
if it is
promote.
yeah, it is if it is moving very good in 90 days of time,
Okay.
so we will keep in the shelves. Otherwise, we
Okay.
will have a decision on that product.
Okay. Okay. So based
Either
on that.
do a marketing or
Yes.
discontinue
Yes.
like
Yes.
that.
Yes. So
The
Grand
process will-
Hypermarket is having the like supply chain of the Kuwait and the Qatar
yeah,
and the
yeah.
UAE
We
also.
have stores in all GCC like Dubai, Kuwait, and Qatar and
Okay.
Oman.
Okay.
And now we are in this Saudi market almost 1 year. We are completing our
Okay.
secondary store in the, on pipeline.
So it will now grow
Yeah,
gradually.
we
The
are
outlets will be.
due to open our next market in next month, in
Okay.
November. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So how is the Saudi market in terms of demand and?
yeah. Saudi market definitely is a big market compared to all other GCC countries.
Okay.
So it's also growing market, and the government is also supporting to grow
Supporting
the
it.
market. The
Okay.
market is growing
Okay.
actually.
And
Yeah,
the Indian products are also in
yeah,
demand
yeah.
here.
Because we have a huge expat base in
Yes.
Saudi Arabia.
Yes. Yes.
So if you check, a lot of Indians who
Right.
are in Saudi Arabia for their
Okay.
livelihood. So they definitely like their origins, their spices,
Obvious.
their rice,
Yes, the
even
originality is
all
there.
ranges of rices, like
Okay.
from Jammu to Kerala. There
So
are a lot
everything
of
is there.
a lot of rice varieties are there. So
Okay.
we keep all, not
Okay.
only basmati, all other variants, including Palakkad Matta or Rosana Masuri or any other rices.
Oh.
Or every rices we are keeping.
So
Every spices we are keeping, like South Indian or North Indian,
okay.
or any other countries like Bangladesh or Pakistan, or and
So
even
variety we
yeah,
can
all
see.
products you will find it in our
Okay. And
market.
apart from the agri-food spice sector, like the textile or
Yes,
in the other.
yeah, we do have all ethnic ranges or
Okay.
European fashion models and
Okay.
everything is
Okay. So if anyone wants to enter in the Saudi market, especially,
yes.
what you can suggest to them, like what need to be
See,
prepared?
the market is very huge, so they need to cater as per the market requirement. Just check, study the market and bring the products, and there are customers. They can
Okay.
get great success in their business if they plan very properly.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. So, and regarding the retail, we can say, considering the hypermarket and the supermarket chain,
Yes.
about the like how the packaging does matter for that. So,
Packaging mostly, not big packs, like a family packs. Like if you say on the spices, not bigger than 1 kg.
okay,
1 kg, 400 gram, like that packets we,
like that.
yeah. So, because earlier times people were buying in bulk, and now everywhere the people are spending,
Mm-hmm.
calculated spendings are there. So
Okay.
they like to buy every time, every often
Okay.
time. So they will come, they shop every time,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
they will look the promotions, new products and everything. So
Right.
they have a chance to select the product.
That's good actually.
Yeah.
So it means we have the scope not even in the Saudi only, but
Yeah.
it's the GCC market is open for that.
Yes.
And yes, Grand Hypermarket is having the biggest supply chain in the GCC, whole GCC. So definitely you can connect to them, and so it will be the open the doors for the GCC,
Yes. Yes.
whole GCC. You
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. This is the biggest market. So
Actually,
if they success here, everywhere
it's everywhere
they,
you
they
can
can
you
do
can
it,
place yourself.
because most
So
of the characteristics are almost same.
right,
Yeah.
right. So before entering in the market, just you need to study about the market very well. So what are the requirements, what are the rules, regulations, standards and quality compliances they need.
Yes.
The pricing is also one of the biggest factor. Actually, we need to work out in the pricing, because if we want to put our product in the shelf, yes, definitely the price should be matched, and it will be in the continuous supply
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Consistency is important.
consistency is important. So take care all these factors in the things in the export business, and definitely the success will be there.
Yes.
So it is a huge scope for the export, but you need to take action. Jai Hind.